Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another paper piecing tutorial, I guess you would call it. So this one, I just decided to do this one real fast because I was already working on it and it was actually pretty fast and easy to put together. So this is a little bit different from the last tutorial I did where I did this Hello Kitty with the black outline. This one is a little bit more time consuming to do, whereas this one was really fast. So as long as you cut out all the pieces, it's actually really easy. The only thing that I didn't do, which I need to do, is put on the whiskers, which I have over here. So, but other than that, it's actually pretty quick. So this is a Hello Kitty cupcake die, and this is what the pieces will look like. So as you can see, it's not the outline type. If you look real closely, it doesn't have the double layer line, and it's not that many pieces. So I think this is the one that it comes with. So it has the head, the cupcake, the bow, the heart, and then this piece has the eyes and nose, and then the whiskers. So I did have to cut out in different colors, like one on black and one on yellow, and then because it only gives you 3 whiskers, I had to like cut it a couple times. So anyway, it is a little bit tedious on the die cutting, but overall putting it together is super fast. So here is, where is my heart? Oh, here, it's in my hand. Okay, so if you notice here, the cupcake part, it is open, right? And that's the reason it's like that, is so that you can stick Hello Kitty's head into the cupcake. So what I do is I just glue over here, just put a little bit of glue, and then you stick her head inside. Okay, there you go. Almost done. Okay, and then you get her bow, add some glue, and then Hello Kitty's bow is always on her left side. I had to think about it. And then you add some glue in the middle, and you can add the heart. You don't have to add the heart, but since it came with the set, I decided to add it. Okay, and then now you can see. Okay, so in the last one I talked about how you would have to reinsert that piece so that you know the placement of the eyes. Well, this one, it has it embossed onto the piece, so that helps you with the placement. Not all of them have that, but I'm gonna just try and do it really quickly so you can see. So I just put really little bit glue, okay, where those little embossing things are, and then as I mentioned, I grabbed my pin, so I'm trying to keep in frame and still do it. Okay, so let me put it down. Maybe that's easier, because the last time I just watched it and I did not stay in frame. Okay, you're gonna laugh because are you seeing my head? I have to check, is it the wrong side or the right side? Okay, you might be seeing my head, so hopefully it's good. And then you grab another one, and then you stick it on the other side. Okay, let me see if I have it correct before it dries. Okay, so see how it's see how it's a little crooked? That's why I like the pin, because I can shift it a little before it dries. Just dab that glue away. Okay, and then I gotta grab the nose. This is hard. Who does tutorials? It's not that easy. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, like as I mentioned, you want to put the whiskers on because then it looks like Hello Kitty, right? So you can also glue in here. You can squirt some glue in there. Let's do that right now. See if I can do it without making a mess. Just so that it's more secured. Okay. Okay, shall I attempt to put the whiskers or what? Let's just try. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so hard on camera. Okay, let me just try and do it so that... So you might see my head. That's just my disclaimer. It's really hard to judge, yeah? Like where the camera is and where you want it to be. Okay, so look how small these whiskers are. It sucks. I'm not gonna lie. Her whiskers are not my favorite part of putting onto like Hello Kitty. I don't know if you can even see that. Okay, so I am gonna wing it, and you're probably gonna laugh. So I just put like a little bit of glue. Can you see that? On the tip. And you don't want to put it on the whole whisker because it's gonna stick off of her, off the side of her cheek. It's so hard to do it on camera. I did not realize that. Okay, something like that. Okay. Where's the other ones? You know, and you know what's really weird is that they give you like different size whiskers. So some of them are like shorter than others, which I don't really understand why. It's so weird. Okay, so see here, I only put glue on one little part of it. And then I gotta keep standing up too, like you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but that's what I'm doing. Okay, how's that? Pretty good. Okay. And then, okay, so here's the glue. That was awful. Okay. Okay, so I messed up on this one. And where I put the glue, it's curving that way. So I put the glue on this side. So I gotta put it on this side of her cheek. Cause you don't, it kind of curves. Oops. So you don't want the glue to like, oh gosh. You don't want the glue to like ooze out on the other side. I don't know how to explain it. You know, I would suggest if you're very meticulous, not like me, because I have fat fingers, like you should really use like tweezers. Okay? But I didn't, this was totally not planned. Like I just decided to do it at the last minute. So that's why it's not like the best tutorial. I'm sure you guys are all laughing at me. So hopefully I made you smile today, if nothing else. Okay, so she has her 3 whiskers on that side. Let's work on this side. See what we can do for her here. Okay. Why is it not sticking? It's not sticking. See, so you guys can see how I struggle too, yeah. It's not like, it's not perfect every single time. And for those of you that are perfectionists, you must be like cringing. Sorry. I am so not a perfectionist, so. Okay. My God, I just watched the last one and I think I was off of frame for a lot. Okay, there you go. See, now she's complete. It does make a difference, y'all. Like, look at this one. I mean, you can still tell it's Hello Kitty, but she looks so much, like, more correct when she has her whiskers. So I will work on putting the whiskers on this one, but I just wanted to share with you. Sometimes, like I said, if it didn't have the whiskers, it probably would be, like, super easy to put together. So just depends on like what your patience level is, if you're more willing to do this type or this type. This looks like more like regular die cutting slash silhouetting. This one is more like coloring book. That's what everybody was saying. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.